Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening Settings and going straight to Notifications or Apps and Notifications. This puts you where the controls live. Once there, find and tap the specific app you want muted. This narrows focus to app-level controls. Make sure notifications are enabled enough to adjust them. If the main toggle is off, you can't change categories. You're preparing the app view so you can change sounds, banners, or categories in the next step. Don't skip this setup. Once you're in the app's notification settings, inspect notification categories or channels. Android and many apps split alerts into types. For each category that's noisy, set sound to none, disable banners, or mark as silent. This stops interruptions but preserves critical alerts. Make sure to apply silent rather than delete if you still want logs. If available, change priority to low so it won't pop up. After adjusting several channels, review in-app notification settings for redundancy. Finally, back out to save changes and send a quick test notification from the app or ask someone to message you so you verify settings. If you still get sounds, restart the device to clear cached settings and make sure Do Not Disturb rules or system-level exceptions aren't overriding your choices. If the app persists, check battery optimization and notification permission overrides, or reinstall the app as a last resort. One troubleshooting tip: reboot before reinstalling. It often
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.